Welcome everyone to our weekly video commentary for the week starting for 2nd March 2020 to 6th March 2020. In this video, the first pair we will look is the Euro USD. If we look at the price structure of Euro USD, there was a massive exhaustion selling pressure with no correction literally, that we call an impulsive bearish pressure, and market become volatile at this level. So we were in buy at this position as the selling pressure wasn't working well at this level and it's become very volatile, and that was a sign of a counter, and we took some pips risk at this level 1.0793. It was not more than about 30 pips and we are out with 180 pips, solid pips. So what about this week? In the price structure, we can see the selling pressure is almost covered by the buyers. So, and we know it's the first week of March. So we're currently expecting some correction in this pair. Maybe the price will reach to 1.1090 to 1.11. And if we see some consolidation at this level and after that some buyers fail, we will look forward to sell in from this level. It's actually depending on the market situation. Market needs to be very corrective, needs to be some volatile, and needs to show some buyers fail. Therefore we will look forward to sell. Our primary target would be 1.10. So here's the possibility of get 100 pips from this level, 80 to 100 pips in this week. As it is first week of the month, we are expecting some correction of the last week's movement. Next pair comes is GBP/USD. If you see the price structure of GBP/USD is going through some volatility, going through some lot of correction for October 2019 after the massive bullish and buyers pressure at this level. So currently what now the price is just got rejected for 1.277 through the recent support area. It's actually event level as well, has been worked as a resistance at this level, and after the massive breakout here it's been worked as a support here and here as well. So what we're expecting the price to show some correction at this level. If you go to the intraday H4 or H1 chart, as you can see some selling pressure here and here, some buying pressure as well, with market open with gap as well. So we are expecting the price to come 1.287 on in recent days, and after that if the price shows some bullish rejection at this level, we will look forward to sell, and in that case our primary target would be 1.277. So here is a potential 100 pips movement we may find this week. So next pair is the NZD/USD. If we see NZD/USD, lot of buyers failure, lot of sellers failure. Is a massive breakout was here, and the seller failed at this level, and massive breakout out here, buyers fell as well. So a lot of contradictory is happening in NZD/USD. So current price structure, if you see, it's been a historical level 0.62, and market shows some rejection at this level. So in this week we may find the price to test 0.6329, almost 97 pips, and if you go to intraday chart you can see price, if price stall a bit to 0.6220 and shows some bearish rejection in intraday H1 or H4 or even H8 chart, we will look forward to buy, and in that case our primary target would be 0.6329. So here is the AUD/USD. It's also a going through a massive selling pressure. If you look at an daily chart, as you can see, here is a massive exhaustion happened, and this exhaustion may force the price to touch 0.6600, and there is a interest rate decision and monetary policy decision in this week on Tuesday for AUD. Therefore, any price direction may set after the event. Till now, price is expected to show some corrective momentum towards 0.6600. So next comes the USD CAD. So USD CAD is pretty interesting at this level price. There's a massive strong resistance at 1.3336, and market managed to break through with a strong impulsive movement. So it is the high time to see how market get established above this level. So these things is pretty critical for breakout trading. As we know, the forex market and the market what reacts actually the breakouts are. When you see some breakout and the breakout might not work well if the breakout happens without any impulsive pressure or a strong breakthrough. If you look at here the price, the daily candle closes at the resistance, and the next candle was a breakthrough above this level, and the next following candle was a pin bar. So this is pretty, we are not pretty much sure that we can say the breakout might work. So in that case we will wait. We will wait at least 2 or 3 days, and we will see how market reacts at this level. If the market is stays above this level and it gets established above here, then we will look forward to buy from 1.3336, and in that case our primary target would be the next recent swing high 1.3460. Here's a potential 116 movement. Here's the alternative scenario in USD CAD. If we see a daily candle to close below the range, we will wait for the correction towards 1.3336, and when we look forward to sell with the target of 1.32. Next currency pair is GBP/JPY. If we look at the price structure of GBP/JPY, there was a massive consolidation at this level and market breakthrough with an impulsive bearish pressure and with a strong selling pressure. So currently we are expecting the price to get some correction. We are waiting for a corrective momentum towards 141.29, and make sure the movement is a corrective. Without corrective, there is a chance of a false break, and all JPY pairs are facing the same strong upside and the downside due to some news, as you know. So if we look at the H4 and H1 chart, we are expecting some corrective momentum at this level, and if we see the price to reach 141.29, shows some bullish rejection, maybe on intraday, maybe on daily candle, and then we will look forward to sell. Next pair is the USD/JPY. It's pretty interesting as well. If you zoom out a bit, you can see a sales tax news that came out, and market was massive breakthrough above this level, and suddenly it moves down and covers the buying pressure and move almost 100% of the buying pressure. So this is a massive crash that we call in the price. So in this situation, what you should do, we should wait for a bit of price to come around 08.5, as it's an interesting and a strong resistance level at this point. So we need established market below here. We need to market to wait 1 or 2 days below the 108.50, and then if we see some correction toward this level, we will look forward to sell with a target of 106.50. Next pair is the AUD/USD. This is pretty same to the USD/JPY. The price is pretty much selling pressure and massive exhaustion here, so we are currently expecting the price to show some corrective momentum to 72.50 this week. Next currency pair was Swiss franc JPY. As we know, we are in the buy position from this level, and we closed our trade with almost 120 pips here, and market moved more from this level. Currently we are expecting the price to touch 112.97 here, 76 pips, and we are expecting the price to fall down after testing the 112.97. So if you are an aggressive trader, you wait for the price to bounce from 20 EMA, or if you're a conservative trader, you may wait for a price to come 111.90 and show some bearish rejection and daily close above this level to get the entry. That's all from today weekly video commentary, and if you are interested in our service, please visit our website. Thank you.